Is your game stuttering, your audio crackling, or your mouse feeling slightly off? If your system feels slow or unresponsive, especially during gaming or live streaming, high latency and DPC, deferred procedure call, lag, might be the reason. Today, I'm going to walk you through a set of power-related tweaks that can help reduce latency on Windows systems. These adjustments can lead to smoother gameplay, more responsive inputs, and even better frame pacing.
Step 1. Unlock Hidden Power Settings Explorer. To get started, we'll be using a small but powerful tool called PowerSettingsExplorer. This utility uncovers advanced and hidden power configuration options within Windows, the kind that aren't available through the standard control panel or settings menu. By unlocking these settings, you gain fine-grained control over how your system manages power-saving features. Once you've downloaded the tool, right-click on the executable and select Run as Administrator. This step is essential. Without administrator privileges, the tool won't be able to access or apply changes to your system's power settings effectively. The primary objective here is to disable or tweak any hidden power-saving mechanisms that might negatively impact system performance or introduce latency. This is particularly useful for gaming systems, high-performance workstations, or any PC where responsiveness and speed take priority over energy savings.
Step 2. Unhide key settings in PowerSettingsExplorer. With PowerSettingsExplorer now running, the next step is to expose the hidden power options that Windows normally keeps out of view. These advanced settings, once made visible, can be customized through the standard Windows Power Plan Editor, giving you much greater control over how your system manages energy and performance. Inside the PowerSettingsExplorer interface, begin by locating each of the following settings. For every one of them, uncheck the Hidden box next to the entry. This will make them appear in your Power Plan configuration menu, accessed via Control Panel, Power Options, Change Advanced Power Settings. Here's the full list of options to unhide. AHCI Link Power Management, uncheck both latency tolerance options. Turn off hard drive after, uncheck. Maximum power level, uncheck. Power saving mode, uncheck. Legacy RTC mitigations, uncheck. Allow standby states, uncheck. Allow wake timers, uncheck. USB selective suspend, uncheck. USB 3-link power management, uncheck. I/O caching timeout, uncheck. Deep sleep enabled, uncheck. Interrupt steering mode, uncheck. Processor performance increase or decrease threshold, uncheck. Allow throttle states, uncheck. Processor idle disable, uncheck. Turn off display after, uncheck. Adaptive display brightness, uncheck.
Step 3. Open the Advanced Power Settings menu. Now that you've successfully revealed the hidden power management options using PowerSettingsExplorer, the next step is to actually configure them for maximum performance. This involves navigating to the Advanced Power Settings menu in Windows, where these newly visible options can be customized. Here's how to get there. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type Control and press Enter. This launches the traditional control panel. In the top right corner of the control panel window, use the search bar to type Power and hit Enter. Click on Power Options from the search results. Locate the power plan you're currently using, such as Balanced, High Performance, or Ultimate Performance, then click on Change Plan Settings next to it. In the next screen, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. You should now see a pop-up window titled Advanced Settings. This is the central hub for all detailed power configurations. Thanks to the changes you made earlier in PowerSettingsExplorer, you'll now have access to a much wider list of options than usual, including controls for USB, CPU behavior, disk timing, and display sleep states.
Step 4. Apply performance-oriented power settings. With the Advanced Power Settings window open, it's time to dial in specific configurations that prioritize speed, responsiveness, and system stability, especially under load. The following changes reduce power-saving behaviors that can interrupt performance, particularly in gaming or creative workflows. Go through each category below and apply these recommended values. Hard disk. Turn off hard disk after set to 0 minutes. This effectively disables the hard drive's idle timeout, ensuring that drives stay active and ready without unnecessary spin-up delays. NVMe settings, if you have an NVMe SSD. Secondary NVMe power state latency tolerance, 0. Primary NVMe power state transition latency tolerance, 0. Wireless adapter settings. Power saving mode set to maximum performance. This keeps your wireless adapter running at full power, reducing connection lag or signal dropouts during downloads or online gaming. Sleep settings. Legacy RTC mitigations, disable. Sleep after, 0 minutes. Allow wake timers, disable. USB settings. USB selective suspension setting, disable. USB 3 link power management, off. PCI Express, link state power management, set to off. Disabling this avoids GPU throttling and lag introduced by PCIe power-saving states. I/O settings. I/O caching timeout, 0. Deep sleep, or C10 state, disabled. These prevent deeper sleep states that can delay system responsiveness, especially in multitasking or high-load environments. Processor power management. Minimum processor state, 100%. Maximum processor state, 100%. Processor idle disable, set to enable. Optional, will raise temps slightly but maximizes CPU availability. Performance increase threshold, 100%. Performance decrease threshold, 100%. Allow throttle states, off. These adjustments keep all CPU cores fully active and prevent Windows from throttling or parking cores during high-performance tasks. Display. Turn off display after, never. Adaptive brightness, off. Ensures your screen doesn't dim or shut off automatically while gaming, watching videos, or working. These changes transform your Windows power profile into a high-performance configuration that avoids latency, slowdowns, or power-saving interruptions. Once finished, click Apply and OK to save the changes.
Step 5. Apply and reboot. Once all your settings are adjusted, click Apply, then OK. Restart your system for all changes to fully take effect. Bonus tip: create a system restore point. Before making any advanced system changes, it's a good idea to create a restore point. Here's how. Search Create a restore point in Windows Search. Click Configure. Make sure protection is on. Click Create. Give it a name, for example, Before Power Tweaks. That way, if anything goes wrong, you can roll back to your previous settings easily. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and check the description below for any download links you need. Have questions or want me to cover a specific topic next time? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.